Welcome to Cook with Pictionama, and today we are going to cook a healthy recipe of cauliflower and chicken oats risotto. These are the ingredients needed. You can take a screenshot for reference. Heat some olive oil in a pan and add finely chopped onions. Saute them over high heat. Add finely chopped garlic to this and stir fry with the onions. Cut your cauliflower into medium-sized florets and add to the onions. Stir fry on medium heat. Cut the baby potatoes in half and add to the cauliflowers. If you have bigger potatoes, cut them into quarters. I've left the skin on for a better texture, but you can peel them if you want to. Stir fry for a minute on high heat. Then add some salt to taste and keep stirring. Keep the heat at a medium-low. We don't want to brown the onions too much. Then lower the heat and cover and cook the vegetables for about 8 minutes. Once the vegetables are about 80% done, remove the lid and give it a stir. Add the chicken breasts, which are cut into small cubes. You see, boneless chicken doesn't take too long to cook, which is why we added this much later in the stage. Add the capsicums, which are cut into small cubes. Stir fry the chicken and the vegetables. Add some instant oats and mix everything together. You can adjust the quantity of the oats depending on how many people will eat it. Finally, pour in the chicken stock. If you don't have stock, don't worry, just add water or add some soup powder in the water and mix it to it. Add more water if required. Then add some cheese and let the cheese slowly melt in the oats along with the water. You might need to add more water because oats really soaks up all the juices. Adjust the seasoning and take it off the heat when everything is cooked. Serve in bowls and garnish with toppings of your choice. Here I have added some parsley pesto, and this one has got some chili oil along with roasted peanuts. If you like this recipe, do try it and comment below. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting everyday recipes.